Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Now, I am going to teach you the second part of lesson chapter number 17, our rich culture. Now, let's start. So, the first topic of the second part is monuments, forts, forts, palaces, temples, pillars, stupas, and monasteries are the different types of monuments. The stupa at Sachi, built by, listen very carefully, you just underline it. Stupa at Sachi, built by Emperor Ashoka, and the temples at Mahabalipuram are examples of early monuments. The Mughal ruler built many monuments. Mughal ruler here, I'm going to explain you the name and tell you the name. Akbar built the Fatehpur. Akbar, who is called the Great, Akbar the Great, built the Fatehpur Sikri and the Agra fort. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra, which is a wonder, seventh or eighth wonder of the world. You know that a seventh wonder? There is no eight. It's seven wonder of the world. Taj Mahal in Agra, and Jama Masjid and the Red Fort in Delhi. The Portuguese built many monuments in Goa. The British built the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliament House, please underline it, in Delhi, and the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. There are also many modern monuments. These includes Akshardham Temple in Delhi, the Vidhan Sodha in Bengaluru, and the Assembly Building in Mumbai. So these are those monuments which you have to study. Now come to the checkpoint. Circle the correct words. Here two options are given. Hindi and Telugu is the official language of India. That will be Hindi. Women or men wear turbans. It is obviously you know that the men wear turbans. Dances performed on festivals are classical dance or folk dance. It will be folk. Classical music is of two or three types. That is of two types. The stupa at Sachi was built by Emperor Ashoka or Akbar. That will be Ashoka. Now come to the paintings. Early humans painted on the walls of caves. These are called cave painting. The cave painting at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, it is very famous, show early humans dancing and hunting animals. The painting at Ajanta caves in Maharashtra show scenes from the life of Lord Buddha. The Mughal emperor also encouraged painters to paint scenes from everyday life. Paresh Mehti, Anjali Ella Menon, and Baiju Pardhan are some modern painters. So underline all these three names. Now come to handicrafts. Apart from paintings, handicraft is also very important, which the handmade decorative items are called handicraft. Okay, so this is the meaning of handicraft. India is famous for its handicrafts. Some famous items are terracotta horses of West Bengal, cane and bamboo crafts of Tripura, puppets of Rajasthan, and Kanchipuram saris of Tamil Nadu. Apart from this handicraft, come to the festivals. The festivals, which is very important and which gives happiness to others. The festivals celebrated in India can be grouped into four categories. So, how many categories? That is of four categories. Number one is national festival. Number two is religious festival. Number three is harvest festival, and number four is special festivals. So, first of all, I will deal with national festival. We celebrate three national festivals. Name them. You know the name. What is just guess? Yes? Okay, now after that I'll explain you about the religious festivals. People celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Parb, Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti. They are coming in the category of religious festival. Harvest Festival, Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and Onam in Kerala are some harvest festival. They are celebrated when the crops have been cut. That is why it is called harvest. Harvest means to cut the crop. Special festivals. These are organized by state government to attract tourists to the state. Okay. The Tulip Festival of Jammu and Kashmir, the Desert Festival of Rajasthan, the Konark Festival of Odisha, the Taj Mahotsav of Uttar Pradesh, the Ran Utsav of Gujarat, and the Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Nagaland are a few examples. Students, in the festival section, I asked you a question. What are the names of the three national festivals? So they are Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd of October. It is the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. Next is that is 15th August, which is celebrated as Independence Day. And the last one is the third one, and this is Republic Day, which is celebrated on the 26th of January. So, after that, before finishing this chapter, just I want to take a recap. You can say that a quick recap of the chapter, what I have explained you. The first thing, that Constitution of India that recognizes 22 languages. Women and men wear different dresses. Men also wear turbans. Folk and classical dances are popular in India. Hindustani and Carnatic are the two styles of classical music in India. The beautiful monuments of India attract many tourists. India has a rich tradition of painting and handicraft, and the last one is many national, religious, harvest, and special festivals are celebrated in India. Thank you, my dear little students, for listening. So, students, please read this chapter 2 to 3 times for the better understanding of chapter. Once again, thank you and take care.